You know, my grandmother used to always say, she said, humble calf suck the most milk. That means being humble leads to great rewards. You know?
Waking up in a world full of poverty, negativity spreading through the earth. But mama still found ways to make us eat. And sometimes it seemed like money grew straight from the trees. She said, in this life, sometimes it's rough and hard, but we must still find a way to carry on. I find peace like a mama to her baby in her arms she sleeps. Yeah, I find peace like a newborn baby. Yeah, it doesn't matter how much craziness and problems around. Just greet them with that smile and keep your head above the ground. Take it easy, find the sun behind the cloud, and believe me, everything will bubble down. In the morning when I open up my eyes, yeah, I'm giving thanks to Jah for life. And I find peace like a mama to her baby in her arms she sleeps. Yeah, I find peace like a newborn baby. Yeah, I find peace like a mama to her baby in her arms she sleeps. Yeah, I find peace like a newborn baby. Yeah, she said, in this life, sometimes it's rough and hard, but we must still find a way to carry on. Yeah. Oh, peace. Oh, yeah. Say I find peace. Oh, peace. Oh, yeah. Said it doesn't matter how much craziness and problems around. Just greet them with that smile and keep your head above the ground. Take it easy, find the sun behind the cloud, and believe me, everything will bubble down.